Shahid Afridi, also known as Boom Afridi, is a former Pakistani cricketer and one of the most celebrated and iconic figures in the world of cricket. Here are 9 lesser-known facts about Shahid Afridi. 1. Early debut. Shahid Afridi made his debut for the Pakistan national cricket team at the young age of 16 in October 1996. He quickly gained fame for his aggressive batting style and explosive performances. 2. Record-breaking century. Afridi holds the record for the fastest century in one-day international (ODI) cricket. He scored a 37-ball century against Sri Lanka in 1996, a record that stood for nearly 2 decades. 3. AllRound Abilities. Afridi was known for his all-round skills, contributing not only as a dynamic batsman but also as a leg spin bowler. He remains one of the most prolific wicket-takers for Pakistan in limited overs cricket. 4. Philanthropy. Apart from his cricketing achievements, Afridi is involved in philanthropic activities. He established the Shahid Afridi Foundation in 2014, which focuses on providing healthcare and education services to underprivileged communities in Pakistan. 5. Charitable Efforts. Afridi's foundation played a crucial role in providing relief and aid to people affected by natural disasters, such as the 2010 floods in Pakistan. 6. Book author. Afridi penned his autobiography titled Game Changer, which provides insights into his personal life, cricketing journey, and experiences both on and off the field. 7. UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador. In 2019, Shahid Afridi was appointed as a Goodwill Ambassador for the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, to raise awareness about children's rights and well-being. 8. Film debut. Afridi made his acting debut in the Pakistani film industry with a small role in the film, Mein Hoon Shahid Afridi, released in 2013. 9. T20 Leagues. Afridi has participated in various T20 cricket leagues around the world, including the Indian Premier League, IPL, and the Pakistan Super League, PSL.